So today we're gonna be working on the Project Honda. We're gonna switch out the ignition switch, see if that's a problem, because it goes bad on these cars all the time. Yeah, it goes bad on these a lot, I guess. So we're gonna take out a few screws. You guys can see that. There's a screw. There's a where am I? There's a hole up here. Let me see. I don't know, but we'll find it. It's kind of hard to see. I feel like the camera's really zoomed in. Can you guys even see? But you take out those screws. So I removed those two screws. See, I'm on the ground. One of them was there, the other one was up somewhere here. There we go. You see that? It's right there. Now we're gonna take out this part. The whole thing comes off. Take that off because there's another hidden screw back there. And I'll show you guys too. Forgot to mention there's another screw down there. It's like there's this part. You just follow it all the way down. Take that out. Where's the screwdriver? So you take that off. So you start to pop everything off. You start from the bottom. It helps you pop everything off. And you go to the bottom. Bang, bang. Then the last one is up here. This seems super close. I guess it's whatever. But the last one's right here. To unpop. If I can, let me see if I can. One-handed. There we go. Alright. That comes off. Then we gotta find the bolt somewhere in the bottom. I'll show you guys when I see it. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera right now. But I'll find it in a sec. Alright, so I located it. So you go under the steering wheel and you go all the way back there. You see it? So if you're looking at the car like this, you just go underneath right there and you see it right there. Wait, it's kind of hard to find with the camera. There we go. Right there. That should be the last screw. Then you can pop that cover off. Only the bottom part you want to pop off. Alright, that felt perfect. Get your flathead. Stick it right there, wherever. You see how it starts to kind of detach. Alright, got that side. Hopefully try not to break anything. And just take it out. Do the other side to the other side and pull it out. So I finally got it off. It was kind of a pain in the butt a little. Not really, but This is just sliding it out. So that's what it looks like now. Oh yeah, and I had to push this down. The little lever that controls it, not to find the... Oh, I found it. Pretty sure it's right here. Because here's the little tab and find the screws. Which are... Where are they at? Right there. There's one. And the other one should be... I don't know, somewhere around there. To the back there. So you guys can see. But one screw's there. I'm pretty sure. Is it just really one screw? I thought it was two. Let me get out the car and check. Yeah, I guess it's one screw. No more. Sweet. So we'll take that out. Just connect it and take it out. So we're gonna find that tab that's right here. Disconnected, which I kind of just did. Oh man, let's put it to the side or something. Back there. Alright, now we gotta take this part out. Right there. Where is... Right here. So, hold the camera differently. I want to strip it. Where the heck is the other one? Because you don't want to strip it. That's way better. It's like a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff back there. Huh. I should keep this one somewhere else. I'm gonna put it right here. I think that should be the only screw, unless they have the bottom, which I don't think they do. I guess there is one down there. If you can see that. I don't know if it's attached to it. It's a part of it. Alright, right there. I don't know if it's going to zoom for you guys. Right there. It's like the bottom part of this. I might have to. I don't know how I'm going to get it through there. I do think it's part of it. So yeah, probably have to. Where did I put it? Alright, let me see if I can undo it off camera. So I took out that little screw, and hopefully that's all I need to do. Ooh, just slid off. Perfect. I guess it was here. The screw was located in the bottom part, so it was like this, right? Like that, and the bottom part was that last screw. Alright, hopefully this is the problem. This is the problem. It's gonna be sweet. Let's go get the new one. The new part, got it right here. Should be the same. Should be. actual both hands and holding your camera. So let's see. Looks the same, has the same setup, same amount of tabs, whatever you want to call it. Bottom screw. Yep. Sweet. Let's put this in. This is a different angle though. So see, this is more turned. I wonder if that matters, but I'm still gonna put it on there like that. I mean, you know, line it up with that. Looks good. Alright. So weird. It's like lines up perfectly though. Need to put a screw in. Though, because it kind of like, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Now it's in, or it feels in. Alright. So I put it back in. It was a pain in the butt to put the screws back in, but got it done. I put this back, plug it back in. I don't think it clipped. It's kind of hard to tell if it clipped. Alright, so that's in. Now time for the true test. If it actually, if it was actually this. If it's not, it's fine, whatever. I probably needed it. But let's check. We'll start. Guess not. We'll just keep on going, see what it is.